Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. My name is Krishna Reddy, founder of Applicable Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims to success made India. Today I came with a new trick and a new video. Today I wanted to discuss with you mathematics on the guidelines chapter. According to Telangana and AP Board of Intermediate Rules and Regulations, 4 marks question, 1 question will come. This type of questions will also helpful like Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, CBSE, ICSE, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, like all state board exams in India. Now I wanted to explain you 4 mark questions. 4 mark questions, very important previous questions, VIP questions. Very important previous questions, VIP questions. Now I wanted to go to directly question number 1. Question number 1, SAQ number 1. If a straight line passing through A 1 comma minus 2 makes an angle tan inverse 4 by 3 with the positive direction of the x-axis in the anti-clockwise sense, then find the points on the straight line whose distance from A is 5. This question came from March 2019 and the place. Next to SAQ number 2. If x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points A and B. Here A is minus 1 comma minus 3. Then find the coordinates of B. In this question came from March 2017 Telangana. Next, SAQ 3. Find the equations of the straight line passing through the point of intersection of the lines 3x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0, 2x plus 5y is equal to 1, and whose distance from the point 2 comma minus 1 is 2 units. This question came from March 2009 and May 2009. Next, SAQ 4. Transform the equation x by a plus 5y is equal to 1 into the normal form where a comma a greater than 0 and b greater than 0. If the perpendicular distance of straight line from the origin is b, hence deduce that we can prove that 1 by p square is equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. This question is also a VIP question, my dear students. Practice more. This question came from March 2002, March 2007, May 1997, May 2004, May 2008, May 2019. Telangana. Next, SAQ 5. SAQ 5. A straight line passing through Q3 root 3 comma 2 makes an angle 30 degrees with the positive direction of the x-axis. If the straight line intersects the line root 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0, then it will reach the point P. Then find the distance of PQ. This question is also a VIP question. Practice more, my dear students. This question came from March 2004, March 2019, Telangana. Next, question number SAQ 6. If a straight line with slope 1 passes through the point Q minus 3 comma 5 and makes the straight line x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 at the point P, then find the distance PQ. This question came from March 2015, Telangana. Next, SAQ 7. Find the points on the line 3x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. Which are at a distance of 5 units from the point 3 comma 2. This question, VIP question, practice more, my dear students. This question came from March 2004, March 2015, Andhra Pradesh, March 2016, Andhra Pradesh. Next, SAQ 8. Next question is find the equations of the straight lines passing through the point minus 3 comma 2 and making an angle 45 degrees with the straight line 3x minus 5 plus 4 is equal to 0. This question came from March 2009. Next, SAQ 9. SAQ 9. If a straight line passing through the point P3, 4 makes an angle of 60 degrees with the positive direction of the x-axis, then find the coordinates of the points on the line which are 5 units away from the point P. This question came from May 2018, Telangana. Next, SAQ 10. Find the equations of the straight line passing through the point 1, 2 and making an angle 60 degrees with the straight line root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. This question came from May 2003, May 2019, Andhra Pradesh. Next, SAQ 11. Find the equation of the straight line now making non-zero equal intercepts on the coordinate axis passing through the point of intersection of the lines 2x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. This question came from March 2006. Next, SAQ 12. Find the point on the line 3x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0, which is equidistant from the point minus 5, 6 and 3, 2. This question came from March 2013. Next, SAQ 13. A straight line forms a triangle of area 24 square units with the coordinate axis. Also find the equation of that straight line if it passes through 3, 4. This question came from May 2007. Next, SAQ 14. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the points minus 1, 2, 5, minus 1. Also find the area of the triangle formed by it with the axis of coordinates. This question came from May 2015, Telangana. Next, SAQ 15. Show that the lines 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0, and 2x minus 3y minus 23 is equal to 0 are concurrent. Find the point of congruency. This question came from March 2018, Andhra Pradesh. Next, SAQ 16. Find the k value if the lines 2x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0, 3x minus 4y minus 30 is equal to 0, 8x minus 11y minus 33 is equal to 0 are concurrent. This question is very, very important and very easy also. So, you practice more, my dear students. This question came from March 2005, March 2018, Telangana, May 2005, May 2007. Next, SAQ 7. SAQ 17. Find the value of P if the lines 3x plus 4y is equal to 5, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4, and px plus 4y is equal to 6 are concurrent. This question is similar to SAQ 16. That is one more time. So this question came from March 2017 Andhra Pradesh, May 2006, May 2017 Andhra Pradesh. So next, SAQ 18. If the straight lines ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, bx plus cy plus a is equal to 0, and cx plus ey plus b is equal to 0 are concurrent, then prove that aq plus bq plus cq is equal to 3abc. This question is also like similar question number SAQ 16, SAQ 17. Practice more because this is very, very important and easy also. This question came from March 2008, March 2011, March 2019 Andhra Pradesh, October 2000. Next, SAQ 19. If 3a plus 2b plus 4c equal to 0, then show that the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 represents a family of concurrent straight lines and find the point of concurrency. This question came from May 2010. Next, SAQ 20. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to the line 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0 and making an intersect minus 4 on the x-axis. This question came from March 2010, May 2016, Telangana. Next, SAQ 21. Find the angles of triangle whose sides are x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0, 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0, 5x plus 7 minus 15 is equal to 0. This question came from March 2007. Next, SAQ 22. SAQ 22. Find the value of k if the angle between the straight lines 4x minus 5 plus 7 is equal to 0 and kx minus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0 is 45 degrees. This question is a very VIP question, very important VIP question. This question came from March 2008, March 2012, May 2002, May 2011, May 2016 Andhra Pradesh, May 2017 Telangana. So practice more this question. Next SAQ 23. Find the value of k if the angle between the straight lines kx plus y plus 9 is equal to 0 and 3x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0 is 45. This question is also like similar SAQ 20. Practice more. Next SAQ 24. A variable straight line drawn through the point of intersection of straight lines xy plus yb is equals to 1 and xy plus yb is equals to 1 meets the coordinate axis at a and b. Show that the locus of the midpoint of AB is 2 into a plus b into xy is equal to ab into x plus y. This question came from May 2005. Next SAQ 25. If P and Q are the length of the perpendicular from the origin to the straight lines, x secant alpha plus y cosecant alpha is equal to a and x cos alpha minus y sin alpha is equal to a cos 2 alpha, then prove that 4p square plus q square equal to a square. This question will also come in long answer also. So practice more. This question is a very important question, VIP question. Practice more. This question came from March 2008, March 2020 Telangana, May 2013. Next SAQ 26. If QH comma k is the foot of the perpendicular from the point P x1 comma y1 on the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then show that h minus x1 by a is equals to k minus y1 by b is equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. This question will also come in long answer question with related to this concept question also. So practice more. It is a VIP question. So this question came from March 2003, May 2007, May 2014. SAQ 27. Find the value of y if the line joining the points 3, y and 2, 7 is parallel to the line joining the points minus 1, 4 and 0, 6. This question will also come in 2 marks also. But because this concept is related to 2 marks only, practice more. This question is a VIP question. So March 2008, March 2014. Next SAQ 28. Find the equations of the straight lines passing through 1, 3 and it is parallel to and perpendicular to the line passing through the points 3, minus 5, minus 6, 1. This question here 2 conditions are having parallel and perpendicular. So you can see and practice more. This VIP question. May 2015 Andhra Pradesh, May 2018 AP, that is Andhra Pradesh. So SAQ 29. SAQ 29. So find the equation of the straight line which is parallel to the line 3x plus 4y is equals to 7 and passing through the point of intersection of the lines x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 3y minus 6 is equals to 0. This question came from March 2016 Telangana. Next SAQ 30. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point of intersection of the lines 2x plus 3y is equals to 1 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 6 and which is perpendicular to the straight line 5x minus 2y is equals to 7.
టు గెట్ సక్సెస్ ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ నీడ్ ఏ ఫ్రెండ్ ఇన్ డీడ్. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మై వీడియో. If you satisfy with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. సబ్కా మాలిక్ ఏక్ హై. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్.